Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Appointlet for Info product. Scheduling difficulties are a major cause of customer churn. People tend to look for better support when they have a hard time finding high-quality answers, and a streamlined scheduling tool helps them get the help they need quickly. Qualify leads in advance and only spend your time on the right prospects. Set up custom intake forms to qualify prospects automatically. Manually approve prospects who qualify for a meeting. Politely decline meetings with prospects who don't qualify. Appointlet pricing options. How much does Appointlet cost? What's the pricing structure? The Appointlet Premium plan is currently $10 a month. We also offer a 20% discount on all annual subscriptions. This brings the cost of your subscription down to $8. Give Appointlet a try, it's free. We provide a generous set of features on the free plan, so it might be all you need. There's no obligation. Sign up takes less than 2 minutes and you won't need a credit card. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Appointlet and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.